Yeah, guys, this is our first time. We came to Angeles City. So this is, we didn't make a video when we got off the bus because it was a mess. Because when we got off the bus, we got at the place called San Fernando, and that was kind of far from here, like about 20 something kilometers, and there's no taxi. No taxi and obviously no Grab. So we had to hustle and haggle with a tricycle driver, and he brought us here. So this is the hotel I'm booked for the next 2 nights. It's called Scored Birds. It's on Fields Avenue, and it's right, next, I think the backyard is what he calls the walking street, which we're gonna check it out later in the evening. But this is the Scored Birds hotel. So this, I guess, let's go in. Let's see. This is the outside of the premises. Alright, so we can just walk in, show them. They told me no taxi, and then they want 700 pesos. Okay, this is the interior of the hotel. The lobby over there on the right hand side. And this is the pool over here, the famous pool where every third Sunday of the month they have this, I don't know what they call it, bikini contest or whatever, but they have a lot of girls, over here. They come from different bars and stuff like that. But unfortunately, we're gonna miss that because it's on the third Sunday, and we are here on the second Sunday. We were not aware of it, but that's fine. So this is the pool. That's the movie theater right in front. You see that. In the evening they have some movie playing, so that's a screen. That's a bar, tiki bar. That's a tiki bar they have with the drinks. On the right hand side is their famous Duke's restaurant. They do serve Western food with the Philippine food, of course. So let's go up. We just upgraded our room because my room, which I booked through Agoda, was the first floor, no view, no window, and I don't like that. So we just upgraded. They gave us a deluxe king, which is, I think, how much is that? 3,000 something a night.
3,200.
3, 4?
Yeah, 3,200.
Oh, 3,200. So it's 3,200 a night for the deluxe king with the pool view. Alright, so let's go up. Let's check it out. Let's get into the
Yeah, let's see the menu.
No, we go up there.
Okay.
We can go to the what? We go up. Alright, they have the elevator also, but these are the stairs. This is only 1 floor up. Oh, actually it's 2 floor up. This is like a dining area, outdoor dining area facing the bar. No, sorry, facing the pool, I should say, but yeah, facing the bar also. Yeah, they say that the hotel is fully booked, so luckily we got this upgrade. Okay, just walk 1 more level up. Okay, this is the 3rd floor. This is where we have our room. Our room number is 305, right? Did you put the number? Okay. Alright, so come on in, guys. That's the room. That's the safe deposit. Safe box. Oh, I need to put the card here. That's the CR. It's decent. It comes with toiletries, these things, shower, I hope they have hot water. A few toiletries. What is that? Shower cap. Shampoo. Alright. Only one slipper here, what? Alright, they have a flat screen TV here. I think it's a 50-inch TV.
This is what I want. Coffee with calf.
Oh yeah, coffee. I know they have coffee here. Okay.
They have something like this also. Water.
Yeah, so it's filtered water
Yeah.
to use for the coffee.
At least you can make unlimited
Yeah.
water. And this is
Alright,
how
I
the
think it's a 50-inch TV. We didn't try it on yet. We don't know what channels it gets, but so this is the room. It does have a window also. Not much of a view, but like I said, the front has a beautiful view. We have the pool view, but this is the window view. Man, what a neighborhood! Shit, it's all a run-down neighborhood though.
this is in the back. Oh no, this is in the
Well, this is the front,
front.
but it's it's like behind Walking Street or in the front of Walking Street, because they say Walking Street is behind, which is like you just have to go out, U-turn, like a couple of minutes walk, and we are there.
So this is the bigger room they have. King.
Yeah, this is a king size.
King
right?
size.
Because the hotel is fully booked. So luckily they gave me this upgrade because I didn't like the other room. Because I like windows. I don't like confined spaces. I don't like that. So and it's only a couple of nights, so a few extra dollars doesn't make a difference. Okay, so this is it.
And they have restaurant that you can order
Oh
also.
yeah, this seems to be burgers and everything. They have.
This is the name to
Oh, they have
restaurant.
menu here. Oh, good.
Yeah. So you can order.
So you want to eat now? You eat.
This is all the prices, guys. They have egg. They have breakfast. This is for breakfast, and they have appetizer, and they also have burgers and sandwich and main course. So that's the prices.
They don't give drinking
They have
water,
also
water.
pizza and Filipino favorite.
Oh, wow, they give you condoms also. I
Wow.
mean, you have to pay for it. I'm
They have
sure.
also desserts. Yeah, I guess you need to
have
pay for that.
it, but
And it has the mirrors, which is just a great big king size. Wow. Mostly we get room is queen size.
Okay, 3 pieces of condom, 100 peso. Not bad. If
Wow.
somebody is in a rush,
Yeah.
they forgot to buy.
3 pesos. 3 pesos inside already, you mean?
Yeah, there's 3 inside
Ah.
for 100. Not bad.
Okay, so this is all the prices that if you wanna get this, buy this one, chocolate. Okay. Small refrigerator, it has drinks, chocolate. Wow. And all the prices there already. So cute, this fridge. Extra fellow, I think.
Yeah.
And the top extra fellow, if you want extra fellow.
The doors are varnished,
Mm.
nicely varnished. The doors. I mean, it's not a bad hotel. I mean, it seems to be okay.
Yeah.
I like the view.
And that's the nice view from this beautiful.
And the good thing is the second floor, they have this restaurant. You can, sitting area, like lapping around the pool.
Yeah.
So you can sit there like you just came wrong time. That's all. That is nice.
Because next Sunday, the
Next
summer
Sunday is when they're going to have all these girls coming
swimsuit
here.
competition. That's the one.
Yeah.
And the buffet also buffet is also on that one.
500.
That's the 500 entrance that you can just for buffet, 500 per person.
Something like that. We need to find out.
Yeah, she told me already.
Oh, she told you?
Yeah, 500
If you're
for
not
buffet.
staying here. No, if you're
Same-
not staying here, 500 peso is the entrance and
Yeah.
you can use it towards food.
Yeah, like
Food or drinks.
buffet is 500 per head.
Not bad.
And they only have also buffet when they have this swimsuit competition. And they only have every third Sunday of the month. So yeah, so this is our room as we said. And we are on third floor. and we love it. It's big room. Yeah, it's nice and it's clean. The bottom is clean. So, 1 out of 10 star. How many star you wanna give this?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I cannot give 10 because it's not a high up end or a high scale hotel. So, probably 8, probably. But, because this is more about convenience. Because I wanted to be close to walking street. So this is more about convenience because obviously they have nicer hotels. So
Yeah.
this is about how much?
200.
Or 3,200 a night,
Yeah.
which is roughly $60, $60 US a night.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, so that's it for today's vlog. We give you already the room tour of this Scorebirds Hotel. So yeah, hope you like it, and yeah, see you in another one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
All right. Bye bye. Take care.